13. Oh, is that a tire gone? Woo-hoo-hoo, tire's gone. Holy shit. 117. Car. Go to the right. Go. 123. Bitches. Car. Car. Over.
Damn!
What's the deal?
173 years.
Year. Alright, let's see what this does.
You gonna get a full throttle?
13. Alright, we'll try this again. Hopefully we break 120 or break the car. One of the shit, one of the two. Trying to hit 120 with this Castle motor. Clear. That don't sound right. That tires are coming apart. Oh, is that a tire gone? Woo-hoo-hoo, tire's gone, dude. Holy shit. Dude. Tire's gone. Holy shit. It's crazy.
Dead out of the center, bro. Where you going? It's in the back.
Oh, Jesus. 103.
Dog, I ain't gonna lie, it scared the shit out of me.
Hell yeah.
You know what happened, right?
What?
I came off the edge. Like I was about to hit the curb.
Yeah.
And that's what happened. That's what I tire did. It's heavy.
It's heavy as shit. Trying out something. Some different wheels. See what happens. Oh wait, hold on. Let me reset this. Stop this. Says started. You going again? Shit, he's going again. Oh. you were like side to side. I was like, what's going on?
Oh yeah, I got
Pull over here. Yo. Yo. Them tires is the truth. Those cheap tires work.
You made them work.
Let's see.
Oh, shit.
117.
Wow.
Yep.
Put it on the computer.
117.
Wow.
Yep. GPS is working. See what happens. Got a little bit better batteries. Car's coming. Cars are gone. Ready to go. See what happens. Car. Go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right.
Put it in the grass.
Yeah. 123. Bitches. What you guys doing? These guys are way down here. GPS is reset. I think it started. Let's see. GPS is reading 1.6. Third run. Last run was a 123. So I guess we'll see if it gets any faster. See what happens. Alright, I'm gonna push it out on the road right now. I think it's clear. You guys stay behind the table. Car! Walking back. Alright, I think he's coming back this way now. Car! Car! Cut over. Yeah. Alright, you got hit 123. This one was 121. You run these Hobby Star 100C battery, and it still run. That's with the XO1 motor. It's hot. The 1650 kV castle motor. Yeah, not bad. Considering this is with a smaller. These are 38 gear, we got a 45 gear drive, but the motor's already starting to get kind of hot. So.
The gear itself, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
What's the gear?
173.
Gears at 173. Yeah, this one's getting hot on us, so.
We didn't put the, like 150.
We'll probably,
150 pounds.
that's what a kill mode pat. The four count. Yeah. I mean,
ESC.
Cheap front tire.
Yeah, that ESC is a mug, boy. I got fan on there.
Yeah, we have on the Clan high-speed fan on here, and we're running at 7 volt just to be able to keep the temps down. So, whew. But yeah, pretty good run, pretty good day.
Pretty good.
Not bad.
I feel good.
Yeah. So now I think we're gonna try and put a TP motor,
You know how you roll
or maybe we put the bigger gear before we put a TP motor. I mean, a TP motor.
I made it.
Should get us way over
That feeling
120.
of I made it. That's what I'm feeling right now.
So, yeah, should be good. All right.